Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and test out this awesome Earwax remover. It's one of the best seller on Amazon. You have a 1080p camera, 6 LED lights. I mean, incredible stuff. Take pictures, save videos. No more using your fingers or a Q-tip that pushing back everything inside of your ears. We're moving to the future. We're moving with high-tech and better stuff. You have here is the manual to tell you every single thing you need about it, tell everything out. It comes with 8-piece tools, different tools for your ears. For price and details on this product, check in the description box below. But you could see it's a good quality black. It comes in 4 different color, I believe. Comes with a USB charger right here too. Very nice. And you come with a little all the extra stuff for the tip. Very nice little case. Our tool, wow, beautiful. So you can see how good this quality is. USB plug-in right here. You got a power right here. All right, so we're gonna press the power button to see. Whoa, look at that. See how bright that light is? You could see everything. So I'm gonna download the app. So in here we have a smaller piece. We have another one. Look at that. All different tip at the end, from small, medium, and this one is like a round one. So we got a camera here set up and we're gonna do it right there. So we're gonna look on the phone here. Look at that. Whoa, incredible. Overall, it's really good. We've been using it for a couple of minutes, so you can see how the ears is really clean inside right here. I mean, exclusive stuff. No wonder they got the best review. Check in the description box below for price and details. This is a very good product overall, and they send a lot of stuff, and for the price you cannot go wrong. So far it's a good earwax remover, very high tech. Comes with about 8 different pieces right here. Comes with a charger. Charges really fast. Comes with a lot of replacement kit, and the light, all you do, you press the button, download the app. You could see in the Earwax what do you do when you could take picture, record and stuff. It's a 1080p camera, really, like 6 LED lights. One of the best seller here on Amazon.